Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to convert a webp file to JPG files. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to convert webp file to image JPG image, simply follow my steps. As you can see here guys, I want to save this image in Google. Right click, save as. Let's put the destination in the desktop. As you can see, the type of this image, webp file. Okay, properties, as you can see, type of file, webp file. So I want to convert this one to JPG files, image file. So simply guys, go and type, don't worry about the link I will put in the description below, easyjef.com. okay, here guys, click webp and here webp to JPG, convert webp to JPG. Okay, choose file. Okay, select your file you want to convert, that's it. Click upload. Okay, that's it. When you finish, click convert to JPG. That's it. Then click save. That's it guys. As you can see, it's converted to JPG file. You can here open without any problem. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.